There's something you should be aware of about the present situation of the internet. With the advancement of technology, now anything can be accomplished with a single click of a button, a single keyboard command, and a single touch on your screen. Given the increasing number of possibilities made possible by technology, I propose this new money-making approach. You will utilize your voice and generate money with a simple snap of your fingers. Remember that you'll only be using your voice box, reading some sentences, and submitting them to customers. Simply by doing so, you will be able to make more money fast, legally, and successfully. With a system as effective as this, you may wonder how much money you'll need. Let me tell you that all you'll need is your voice box. And if you have one, which you almost certainly do, you're all set for this top online money-making approach. You won't have to pay any money for investments, fees, or payments since this approach is completely free. Furthermore, since this is generally accessible to all people globally, you may utilize it wherever possible. And the good times don't have to end there, since you can use this strategy to make money. Even if you're a total novice, you can do this work without prior knowledge or expertise. So put that fear to the side since it's no longer necessary. So how can you put this approach to work for you and generate money online? The solution is straightforward. All you have to do now is watch this video from beginning to end, making sure not to skip any section so that you don't miss any part that will inevitably affect your success with this strategy. So sit back, relax, and buckle up because I'm about to take you on a trip to learn how to make money online. But first, before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. Let's return to the video now. Given the background information I provided, I'm sure you're eager to get your hands on this strategy. Let's open up this website, which is voices.com. Let us figure out how much money you can make working with this website. Your payout rate might vary depending on the number of words you read and the length of the project. For example, you may easily earn between $100 and $249 by devoting no more than 2 minutes to a script of no more than 300 words. 2 minutes fly by like a sea breeze when you think about it. To give you an idea, since it takes more than that to brew you a cup of coffee. With such knowledge, this website has more potential as the number of words grows. Your income will grow as you read more words, equal to increased word count and completed minutes. You may be rewarded up to $1,000 if you're reading a script between 4,500 and 6,000 words long. And if the word count exceeds that, you may earn far more money. So everything is just so promising. Fortunately, you stumbled upon this video since now you'll know exactly how to pull this whole thing off. Let's get straight on to voices.com, the only website dedicated to this video without further delay. Simply put it into your browser search box and press enter. When you first go on their webpage, you will see the statement claiming that they are the world's leading voiceover and audio production marketplace. Voices.com engages experienced voice actors, audio producers, musicians, and translators for customers' creative projects. As you go down, you'll see that as indicated right here on their site, creative teams, marketers, producers, and educators from the world's largest brands and agencies trust Voices with their projects. You can see these massive businesses teaming up with Voices for their projects below that Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Val, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu are all involved. With these large corporations opting for voice talent and services, you're in safe hands since this demonstrates that Voices is a very reputable website. This says that you do not need to be concerned about anything since they are a website with high integrity, openness, and validity. You may get your payments from Voices.com via various payment methods, one of which is PayPal, the most common payment option in the online money-making world. Other payment alternatives such as bank transfers and so much more are also accessible. You're undoubtedly eager to try out this website. Just relax because that's precisely what we'll do next. Wait, before we join up, let's have a better grasp of how everything works to avoid misunderstandings, mistakes, or confusion. To provide a smooth and stable ride throughout, I want you to go to the right side of the webpage and click on the button, which explains how it works. You'll be routed to this page after clicking that, where you may learn more about the website's mechanism and general procedure. There will be 4 easy actions for you to do to make money with this website. The first thing you'll need to do is set a profile and submit samples. Creating a voice profile is always free, and it enables you to show off all of your voiceover, audio production, music, and translation abilities. Uploading samples of your most extraordinary works helps you appear in client searches and demonstrate your abilities. After you've completed this step, the next step is to respond to job postings and accept private invites from customers across your profile while browsing the Voices marketplace. Each job invitation includes a description of the client's needs and budget. In a couple of minutes, submit your answer with a custom or current sample, a short proposal, and your quotation. Now that you've been employed, the next step becomes simpler. Use their purpose-built and straightforward platform to handle all parts of the project, including examining and agreeing on product specifics before you start conversing directly with the customer through private messaging, making revisions, and submitting files. Finally, the last stage, which is simply to be paid. Keep in mind, you will undoubtedly get your money 100% with SurePay's free payment protection service. You'll never have to hunt down payment again. While working, your money is securely kept by Voices and given to you by PayPal after the job is over. What's more, they'll even cover all the PayPal costs. As a result, everything is practically placed in front of you on a silver platter. Let's take a step back for a moment. Remember how I told you that all you'd have to do to get money is utilize your voice box? That is unquestionably true. But I want you to understand that performing voiceover is just the beginning. Voices.com has a lot of employment opportunities to suit a broad range of abilities held by a diverse group of freelancers all around the globe. There are also audio production, translation, and music jobs available in addition to voiceover work. You may also uncover subcategories within these categories that you can freely explore to find the ideal job. But let me tell you something. Performing voiceover is unquestionably the simplest of these things to do, so I want you to concentrate on that. But I'm not restricting you in any way, so go ahead and explore some more. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's return to the video now. And now that you've all been waiting for it, let's start creating a free account. Please return to the site and look for the register button. Once you're on the site, I want you to look at the top right corner of the page and click the blue sign up button. You will then be sent to the page where you can begin your registration. They'll start by asking you what you want to do. As I previously said, we will be working on this website as freelancers. So the obvious answer to this question is to look for a job as a talent. So go ahead and press the button. Then, on this other page, provide your basic personal information, such as your complete name, email address, and password. Simply check the box to indicate that you agree to the website's terms of service and privacy policy after filling it out. All you have to do now is click to the Proceed button once you've finished everything. You're now ready to go. By the way, you may take a more direct path by creating a Google or Apple account. That method is much more convenient. Choose what is most convenient for you. Now that you've created an account, you'll have access to your dashboard, where you may explore various opportunities based on your creative abilities. You can pick from advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, and many other options. Now, let me spare you the headache of deciding which business is the best to work in so you don't have to spend any time. So out of all these business groups, I want you to focus all of your attention and effort on the 3 highest paying ones: advertising, education, and gaming. I've done my homework and discovered that these 3 sectors pay the most. So that's the little secret I wanted to reveal to you all. Furthermore, the assignments for these categories are substantially simpler, so you won't have to work as hard or as long. Let's look at an example. Assume you clicked on an advertisement. Then you'll discover various voiceover talents from all over the globe, with a wide range of genders, ages, and languages spoken. This website has something for everyone. It isn't easy to know where to start with so many different postings to choose from. Let me offer you a suggestion. Broaden your horizons and seek a task that allows you to work for more extended periods, such as 30 minutes or more. This may be done by going to the job section and looking for open positions with comparable pay rates listed in the postings. After you've picked a job, all you have to do now is read the script, record it on any of your devices, send it to your customer, and get paid with real money online in as little as 1, 2, 3. That's all there is to it. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.